Hello everyone. So, I'm Angel.
I'm Kevin.
For today, we have another Korean expression and that is InJeong. So, Kevin, can you tell us what InJeong means?
This expression commonly used by Korean to demand the consent of the other party in a situation or conversation. I usually use it with my friends.
Wow, so thank you so much for that, Kevin. So now, guys, we have another learnings for Korean expression and that is really good. So, let's watch for the next situations.
이제 I order kimchi from kimchi desu.
Ooh,
Try it.
that looks delicious. Thank you.
취향 인정? 취향 인정?
Oh, InJeong.
Yeah. Look at this. He's handsome 인정?
Yeah. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding.